Hello everybody and welcome back to the Rich Life. Okay, so big elephant in the room. I know that all of you know you haven't seen me in a really long time. So the first thing I want to do is apologize for not being more present, especially for my new subscribers. Welcome officially to the Rich Life. But I promise you that I've been away for good reason. And that reason is I have a brand new show that just launched with Real Simple magazine. It's an outdoor makeover show called Outdoor Upgrade. Hi, I'm designer Riche Grant, and I've got $1,000 to help people reboot their outdoor space. Yeah! But they're gonna have to put in the work. This is Outdoor Upgrade. So as soon as you finish watching this video, head on over to Real Simple's YouTube channel, watch those episodes, like them, comment, and share. This project has been a dream come true for me. And I just wanted to officially thank all of you, all of my YouTube subscribers for helping me get to this point. I know that I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for your support. So thank you, thank you, thank you. It's just been really exciting for so many reasons, but I want to pause and highlight one reason. I put Real Simple magazine on my vision board in 2018. At the time, I was just thinking, wouldn't it be cool to be in the magazine? I had no idea at that point when I planted the seed that in 2021, I would be launching a whole show with Real Simple. So I just want to encourage someone out there to keep going after a dream that you have. It may not come in the time frame that you think it should come, but honestly, I'm thankful. I was not ready in 2018 for this opportunity now. So if there's something in your life that you want that hasn't come into fruition yet, that's okay. Keep working toward it. Use this time, the meantime, to get ready for when it comes. Because when it comes, you want to be able to just seize that opportunity and go. And so that's what I did. And so I am so happy to share this project with all of you. I know everybody's busy working on their outdoor spaces, and I'm actually working on a video to show you my outdoor space, because after I launched the show, so many people started asking me, well, what does your space look like? So I'm going to show you my space. In the meantime, if you have questions about your outdoor space, just feel free to send them to me. You guys know I love asking questions, but answering questions too. So feel free to do that. Also, if you haven't already done so, make sure, I always say this, make sure that you subscribe to the Rich Life so that you can stay up to date with all of the latest. And remember, if you're not seeing enough of me here, you can always see what I'm up to on Instagram at All Things Richie. Okay? And don't forget, make sure you head over to Real Simple's YouTube channel so that you can check out the Outdoor Upgrade episodes and let me know what you think. Okay? Until next time, take care, everybody.